At Crest, construction isn't just a process, it's a point of pride. Since 1957, we've built every pontoon with one goal in mind: to deliver lasting quality you can see, feel, and count on for generations. We handcraft each boat with meticulous attention to detail, from our powder-coated rails to our in-house stitched upholstery. It's this hands-on approach that sets Crest apart, and it's why so many families return to the water year after year in the same boat that they started with. Our construction speaks for itself. Deeper seats, higher seat backs, and reinforced materials come standard. And underneath it all is our patent-pending web chassis. Unlike competitors who use thinner channels and smaller brackets, Crest's welded box beam chassis promises fewer rattles, a smoother ride on choppy water, and less wear over time. It also allows for a standard extended rear deck, a major benefit for added space and comfort. The difference is so evident you'll feel it as soon as you're on the water. We're proud of our past, but we're always building forward. Whether it's the innovation behind our all-electric model or the strength in every weld, Crest continues to set the bar for what a pontoon should be. Built to last, built for you, built for generations to come. Visit crestpontoonboats.com or connect with your local dealer to learn more.